Q. So next we're going to try something different. This one is a stainless steel half ring. We will use this stainless steel half ring to make the different designs. Here is half ring, and I'm going to use the wire 0.3 make the different. Okay. So this one, then this is the piece half ring. We're going to start to wrap it here first. Wrap here, the purpose is to make the beginning tight here. This one. Okay. Then we are going to string the beads. We will use the lapis beads 2mm. 2mm string it here. Okay. Continue to string more piece. Thank you. Thank you, Liz. Okay. Then, hi, Mila. We are use this half ring to try the different try a ring here. Let's going to make it in size 8. I'm use the stainless use the copper wire here. Okay. 0. Is the 8mm. 8 size 8. One more piece. Thank you. Yes, I find it here. Then I put the piece of the piece here. This one. Then we can go through to string it. Okay. Then I'm wrap here. We can go another color to make. I think this piece of the half ring we can use it to DIY many different design. And here let's go into string it with one more beads. The piece I going to try to buy the 2mm Pro. Okay. This one. It's going to try different. So after wrapper here, we go the second string. Hi, happy to see you. Here. And go through, go string, go string. Okay. Then the wire goes through the here with a hole. Then we're going to tight. In a tight. Yeah. Tight. Tight. I use the wire is 0.3. Thank you. Yes, it's the way that can be tried here like this. Okay. And it can be where it half like here. A little small. Okay. We can wear it this way. Yeah. All metal, yes, all the metal is here is non-10 inch except the memory wire here. This one. And the back is metal. So here, thank you, Thousand Crab. It's here, you can see. And this is the ring we just made. We can use the half ring to make the ring like this. And here we have some ring. It's stainless steel metal with the vacuum plating, so the color not be fade. If you want to get it, you can claim. Today we don't prepare too much stock, but here you can get it. Okay. Wait for a moment. The machine stop.